All right, so here we go. 2014 Bowman Sterling box break number 2, and this is the final box here of Bowman Sterling. 11:53 Eastern Standard Time. Here's Frostfire, Gary Z, J White, Brooksy, NM, Big Dog. Who? Oh. Then there's J Dog, J Dirt, Hurricane, Justice 518. Here we go. Tie Stick, saving all the goodies over here. Ace High Straight as well. I may have a little 2012 running around. Tie Stick. I mean, I might. Not sure though. So you got 6 packs, 12 hits, bonus box toppers, some serial numbered stuff. Let's get it going. First up, you got Andre Williams, 46 out of 50. Oh, there he is. Hey, Taj. How you doing, player? And that's going to Brooksy. Some base. Oh, sorry. Andre Williams, 14 out of 75. One of those Giants. And then shorter print, E. Brown. And that's going to be 23 out of 25. Eric Ebron. Detroit what? Therapy session. Got some glitter on it straight from the Glitter Club where AD is currently at. Then you got Marquise Lee, 3-color patch going to Jacksonville. Big Dog, 808. So if you guys wanted to jump into Spectra 2015, just monster hits everywhere in Spectra. Just saying. Here's CJ Fedowitz. Get a wits. 6 spots left in Spectra. Listen, the 101 bonus is still out there. All we have to do is just hit one. Here's Teddy, 2 glove. And that's going to Minnesota, so Brooksy. It feels like a very thin pack here, so let's see what we got. We got an autograph rookie relic of DeAnthony Thomas going to KC. Ace High Straight. Little DeAnthony Thomas. Packs out of the way here. Then Ronathan Manziel. Just a hot mess. Manziel is. And for some reason, if you look on eBay, his stuff is still selling. If you have any Manziel stuff, do yourself a favor and just huck it up there. Get it going. Here's Devontae Adams. 80 out of 99 going to Green Bay. Straw, 39-30. Connor Shaw going to Cleveland. And Brandon Cooks going to New Orleans. That'll be NM Lobo. Bowman Sterling disappointing tonight. Come on, man. Gotta turn up the heat. It's not going to happen with Jace Amaro. Going to those Jets. Brooksy. And then Paul Richardson, 2-color, going to Seattle. J-Dog. Well. And then he got a Ronnie. It's going to Cleveland. Who's got Cleveland? It's Gary Z. And that's 10 out of 25. All sorts of glitter on there. He should have like a Coors Light patch inside of there. So a little Ronnie Manziel, but nothing crazy on the auto side of things. All right, well, we're done with Sterling. I believe Spectra's up there if you guys are interested in that, obviously. It's pretty solid stuff.